Now we do 8th experiment of part B, that is to create an AIDL service that calculates car loan EMI. The formula to calculate EMI is E equal to P into R plus, E equal to P into R in bracket 1 plus R, means R into 1 plus R to the power N, then whole divided by 1 plus R to the power N minus 1. This is the denominator and this is the numerator. Store to E. E is the EMI payable on car loan amount. E is the EMI payable on car loan amount. P is the principal amount. P the car loan principal amount. R is the interest rate value computed on a monthly basis. N is loan tenure in the form of months. N is loan tenure. The down payment amount has to be deducted from principal amount paid towards buying the car. Develop an application that makes use of this AIDL service to calculate the EMI. This application should have 4 edit text to read the principal amount, down payment, interest rate, loan term. Okay, it has to have 4 edit text buttons, edit text controls to read principal amount, down payment, interest rate and loan term. And a button named as calculate monthly EMI. Calculate monthly EMI. On click of this button, the result should be shown in a text view. Also, calculate the EMI by varying the loan term and interest rate values. Okay, we have to calculate EMI by varying loan term and interest rate values. Okay, this is the problem we have to solve in the Android. We have already designed the interface of experiment 8. That is car EMI calculator. This is the text view. Okay, and this is edit text. Text view to just display the label. Okay, we have to just display the label, but here edit text to enter principal amount. Therefore, ID we have given as PA for principal amount. And then this is the text view down payment, and this is the edit text to enter first calculate down payment, and or we can enter down payment, and ID name is DP. We have given as DP, and this interest rate is text view, and here ID for interest rate is IR, and here the ID for, so this is label, that is loan term, and this is ID LT loan term, and this is button ID is B1. Okay, we can give any ID. This to calculate monthly EMI. When we click on this button, it will calculate monthly EMI by these all parameters. Okay, and EMI will be displayed in this text view. Okay, and ID is EMI. You can see here one horizontal and one vertical handle is fixed. One horizontal and one vertical handle is fixed. Okay, one vertical and one horizontal handle is fixed. Okay, and here also you can see these 2 vertical handles fixed and one horizontal. You can fix it anyway. Okay, and if you see the code of XML, if you see the code of XML which is automatically generated, or the text view ID is taken as text view, and text is car EMI calculator. This text we have given as car EMI calculator, and constraint you can see start of text view to start of parent, and then top of text view to top of parent. Next one is text view id text view 2, and the label is principal principal amount. Okay, this code are automatically generated when we design the interface. Okay, these codes will be automatically generated when we design the interface button or edit text. For all these interface controls, code automatically generated. Okay, now if you see the design window, you can see the design, and we will see the code through main activity dot java. Okay, here public class main activity extends app compatibility activity. This automatically generated when you create app, and you have to implement on click listener method here also by using implements view dot on click listener. Okay, and then when you create the button object, button b1, you can see it asks you to import the file. You can click on import file, then automatically it imports android.widget.button. Similarly to edit text and text view, it automatically imports. There are four edit text buttons. Okay, therefore we are creating four edit text object to map object to edit text button. And there is one text view to show the result. Okay, and here we are mapping b1 equal to find view by id r.id.b1. b1 is that button interface id, and we are casting to button. No need to cast always. Next, b1 dot set on click listener. b1 dot set on click listener. This indicates the object b1 we are transferring as parameter. Next, t1 equal to edit text find view by id r.id.pa. We are going to map pa edit text interface to t1 object, and then dp interface object to t2, and ir interface object to t3, and lt interface control to t4 object. Okay, these are all interface control pa to t1 object, dp interface control to t2, ir to t3, lt to t4, and emi to tt1. This way we are mapping. Okay, and once we map, now we have to write on click method, public void on click method to implement on click method. We are writing the code, and v is the object of type view. Now we need the variables because we need to calculate EMI. Whatever text we typed in the edit text is in the form of string that we need to convert to double. First we have to create data variables of type double, and variable names are p, r, n, d, and emi. Now p is the variable where we are using double dot parse double to convert string to double, and parameter is t1.getText.toString indicates the content of first text box which is mapped to t1 is converted to double, means string to number of type double, and stored to p. Like that the text from T2 text box. That is, we use the T2 object T2.getText.tString. From T2 object we are getting the text and converting to double and storing to D, and then R equal to double dot parse double, once again to convert interest rate to from string to double. Okay, and then we are using R equal to R by 12 into 100, it is rate of interest yearly we are calculating. And next n term equal to T4 is a text object dot get text dot to string. We are converting string to double and storing to n. Then we are calculating EMI. EMI we are calculating by using the formula which is given in the problem. EMI equal to P into next R into, then there is a power of n, therefore we are using math.po, function math.po, and parameter 1 plus R comma n. In the case 1 plus R is the base and n is radix, and divided by math.po 1 plus R is the base comma n is the radix, and then minus 1 indicates this formula is implemented. Formula given here is implemented. The n, power n is computed using po function. Power n is computed using po function. Next, the EMI is divided by 12 indicates yearly EMI we are calculating. And then TT1 equal to, that is result we have to set as label. There is a TT1 text view. It's a text we are setting by using TT1.setText method, and then string dot value of EMI. Okay, we are getting value of method and converting EMI to string. We are converting double EMI to string and setting as labels text. Okay, this is required when we are typing down payment. Down payment is deducted from the principal amount. It's very simple program. Now we run this in the emulator. Okay, when you click run button here, run app, it takes some time to run because it has to start emulator. We can see emulator here of experiment part B8, and it asking us to enter principal amount. We enter 1000 as principal amount at the beginning, and down payment we enter 100. Okay, if you want to go to next user interface, click on this. It allows you to type interest rate as 10%. Click on this. Loan term you make 2 years. Click on this. Okay, it shows calculate EMI button. When you click on calculate EMI button, it calculates the EMI and shows as 37.94 is the EMI. Monthly EMI is 37.24. Now, if you want to calculate for a different principal amount, to calculate for other principal amount, rerun the app, it re-executes and store, and it shows the emulator, and it is showing the emulator. It's taking some time. See, principal amount, down payment, interest rate and loan term. You have to enter. Now here when you try to click on this edit text, it shows the keyboard pad. Okay, if you want to type the number, you can type from the laptop or you can select this button. Okay, here for 20,000 amount, if you are calculating down payment if you are giving as 500. Okay, then click on this button. Interest rate, okay, 5%. Click on this. Loan term, take 5 years. Loan term in years, 5 years. Click on this. Then calculate monthly EMI. Click on calculate monthly EMI. It shows monthly EMI as 329 rupees. Okay, here showing the result as 329 rupees. This way this program works.